Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add an HTML header to your Outlook email. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account so all your emails can load in properly. This step is essential because you'll need access to Outlook's full email composition tools to add your HTML header. Once your emails have loaded and you're on your main Outlook dashboard, look toward the top left part of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New Email. Click on this button to open up a fresh email composition window. This is where you'll be able to access all the formatting options you need to insert your HTML header. Now, here's the easiest method for adding an HTML header to your email. Before you can insert it directly into Outlook, you need to prepare your HTML file first. So, open your HTML header file in any web browser app like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. This allows you to view the header exactly as it will appear once it's added to your email. With your HTML header displayed in the browser, you'll want to select all its content. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to highlight everything on the page. This ensures you're capturing the entire HTML structure, including all the formatting and styling that makes your header look the way it does. Next, copy all the highlighted content by pressing Ctrl+C. This saves the HTML code to your clipboard so you can paste it into Outlook. Now head back to your email composition window in Outlook. Once you're back in the email editor, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several tabs there, and you need to click on the Format Text tab. This will reveal a set of formatting options specifically designed for customizing how your email appears. In the Format Text menu, look for the Format section. This is a critical step because Outlook needs to be set to the correct format type to properly display your HTML header. From the available options, make sure to select Rich Text as your email format. This setting allows Outlook to interpret and display HTML content correctly, which is exactly what you need for your header to appear as intended. Now that your email format is set to Rich Text, you're ready to insert your HTML header. Simply click anywhere in the email body where you want the header to appear, then paste in your HTML content by pressing Ctrl+V. You'll immediately see your HTML email header added directly into the composition window with all its formatting and styling intact. And that's it. You've successfully added an HTML header to your Outlook email using a simple copy and paste method that preserves all your HTML formatting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.